Hi all, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Let's start rebooting work using UiPath. In today's session, we want to discuss about immediate panel. So let me have a quick walkthrough what actually this immediate panel, so what it does actually. So this immediate panel, which is similar to the watch panel, which help you to get the values, but on a run instance. So what actually when I mean run instance, so you have to call the particular variable in each and every time. Okay, so for example, so initially you have like declared a variable value is 0. So once you're called in immediate panel, so to get the updated value, so you have to call once again the particular variable so that you can get the updated value. But in watch panel, so if you're called only once, so once you are like trying to traversal to the each and every nodes of the flow, the value will be automatically updated. Where in immediate panel, so we have to call each and every time to get the updated value. Also, this immediate panel will allow you to perform couple of operations which is equals, contains. So we can do n number of operations in the immediate panel as well. So let me quickly jump back to the UiPath Studio and start our today's session. So let me move to the UiPath Studio. So what I will do, I'll just take the same example which I done for the watch panel for the immediate panel as well. So what I'll do here, I'll just go here and then rename this as immediate panel. Okay. So which this will be the example for the watch and immediate panel now. Okay. So what I'll be doing, so already I just placed my breakpoint here. What I will do, so I'll just go ahead and just click on this debug file. That's it. So let me show you one by one so how this immediate panel will works. Okay. So let me go to the immediate panel. So what I'll do, I'll just try to call my variable now. Okay. So my variable is int a. Okay. Let me try to call this variable. So just click over here. Okay. Once I clicked over here, just try to call int a and just click on enter. That's it. So once you hit on int a, so you can see the value of the int a. Okay, right? So which is 0. And then try to call int b. Okay. Just click on enter. That's it. So you have called two kind of variables which is int a and int b. So initially those values will be 0, right? So let me click on step into now. So once you are clicked on step into, so you may be seeing the same scenario in watch panel. So once you are clicked on step into, the value is automatically got incremented. Okay, the particular variable value, it automatically got changed to the current assigned value, right? But where in panel, so you have to call the variable once again so that you can get the updated value. So let me try to call int a now. So let me go here int a and then just click on enter. So now you can see, right? So once you call the particular variable once again so that you can get the updated value. So likewise this immediate panel will work so when you're going to call the particular variable once again so that you can get the current value of the variable. As I said, so we can do n number of actions in this immediate panel. So let me try to do all the operation now. Okay, so what I will do, I'll just try to call this int a. Okay, and then I'll just try to use the function which is dot to string. Okay, so what actually it does, so it will just try to convert this particular number into the string now. Okay, so once I use dot to string, so you can see the output, right? So which is in double quoted. Now it has converted this number into the string, right? So you can do this execution kind of manipulation in this particular immediate panel itself. So let me try to do some operations also. So let us try to compare the int a and int b now. So based upon that, so we will be getting a boolean expression as we expected. So let me try to do int a dot equals. So which help you to apply your equals operation, and then so int b, which is a second operand. Let me try to call int b and then just click on enter. So this immediate panel will help you to unlock your expression, so you can directly go ahead and perform your expression over here. So you can do your string manipulation, and then so you can make your expressions. So this will help you to perform all kind of an operations where you'll be not able to do this kind of operation in your local panel or watch panel. So the only thing which is in the immediate panel, so once you are going to get the updated value, so you have to recall the particular variable so which has been declared. So as example, so if you are going to declare on a starting stage int a equal to 0, so to get an updated value, so you have to call that particular variable once again so that you can get an updated value. So once you have called the particular variables, the value will be get updated automatically in the immediate panel. So we have to call in each and every time so that we can get an updated value. So this is the main thing, which is a difference between the watch panel and the immediate panel. So also the immediate will unlock you to perform so many kind of an operation, which is equal and then contain. So all kind of an operations are kind of a string manipulation, string conversion. So those things you can play around with the immediate panels, where you cannot do with those in the local and watch panels. So let me try to call. So let me click on step into first and then try to call the int b now. Okay. So once you try to call the int b now, so you'll be getting the updated value of the int b. So let me try to call this. Just click on enter. So you can see, right? So you can see int b equal to 2 now. So initially when you see here, the int b value is 0. So even though if you clicked on step into, if you're not calling the particular variable, so immediate panel will not understand so what actually the value of the variable. So this will be the main difference between the watch panel and the immediate panel. So I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching. Happy learning. Have a good day.